Well, we're over here putting together. Got Darren over here. Oh, there he is. Say hi.
Hi.
We're putting this baby together. Well, about 1,000,000 pieces, huh?
Yeah.
Very good. You're gonna have to throw in a few Allen head for us. All right, we're looking for 9876.
I've got 9848.
Try it here.
You've got 9876.
Yep. 9847. Got. Things got angles all over the place.
Right like this.
So we got Stairway to Nowhere.
Pretty much.
And just like that, 4 bolts. Hold the roof on.
And you got a roof.
Well, you look good up there.
Too bad building a house wasn't this easy.
Putting on the telescope. Putting up the most important part. Adult supervision required.